What's up, guys? Pig Gamer here, and today we are continuing, and this might be the last video, maybe, or there could be a couple more videos, like 2 or 3 more. So I found more. These are mostly the pieces. We got like some sort of map. We got a map. 2 bottles of something. Got the book, a letter, another letter. I got a red crystal. Got 2 gems, a ring, and these 2 weapons. And we got some more stuff on here as well. We got 3 other gems. We got like a little statue man. We got a goblet, which you can see. You want to at least see a little bit of everything. So, what I'm going to do is, this might be all set, like the style and everything. So I'm just going to set that right here. And right next to it, I'm going to make my very own shelf to put the rest of these on. Ooh, actually, where is that? I have a shelf somewhere. I'm trying to think where it is. I do have it somewhere. I'm trying to think where it was. I saw it before. Is it in here? Wait a minute, guys. Spot in there. My cousin might be here. This might be the last video I record today, guys. Still can't find it. I'm trying to remember where I last saw it. I think it's in one of these bins. Anyways, it's kind of like a little bookshelf. All I have to do is take the bottom parts of it off, and I'll probably find it off camera. But anyways, what?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, I know. You can't come in right now.
Okay.
I'll let you know when I come in. I'm doing something. Okay, so, like I was saying, I could place some things on top of here, but then I would have to extend the walls up. So, right now, I'm just gonna finish off this a little bit, or work on the walls a little bit. So, I'm starting to find 2x4s again. Okay. Whoop, okay. Also, I'm sorry about what happened earlier when I was screaming. Like, 3. That. Then 1 by 3, or 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 3, 2 by 4. And a 2 by 4 went flying right towards my feet. End of story. Doot. And up, okay. Okay, so I'm almost done with these walls. Then I need this. Almost done. Ooh. Ah. Crap. Take it off. No. There we go. And a 2 by 3 to finish it off. There. The layers. Now the walls are done, I think. Now what we should do is build the shelf. So, what I should do is get some materials to build it. Might build it off camera, or might just start building it and just build it off camera. So, I use gold. So, I think I'm running out of gold, so I'm just going to use black studs. Then, like the same thing. Ooh, don't tip over. I'm going to tell her what, my cousin what I was doing after this. Going to use one of these. And then, even though they use like something like that, I'm going to use, I don't know, what am I going to use? I'm probably going to have to use like 2 by 2s. Oops, sorry about that. So 1, 2, 3 2 by 2s. Actually, maybe 2. 2 for each side. And another 2 by 6. And these again. Then finally the last one. If I can find it. Come on, find it. And now, there we go. Okay, so got these in front of me. Up. Probably gonna cut this video short. So probably after this brick stops flipping over, like a dolphin or something like that. What flips over? I don't know. Just gonna say a dolphin. Okay. And then flip this back over. Both of these on each side. Then this. Then again. This is a little bit crappy than the other one, but it works, I think. Maybe I should put like a 1 by 2 plate on it, on both of these, to make it a little bit higher. But for now, this is gonna have to deal. Okay, so I'm gonna place this on this side. So, I might put like these maps and the letters on like a table. So I'm gonna put. Wait, I should take this off. So I'm gonna put this crystal. It's kind of hard to put stuff in here. So I'm gonna put the crystal right there, and then I'm going to place 2 of these bottles right next to the crystal, hopefully. And I can't do that. Crap. Oh. Wait a minute. Whoops. I might have to make one shelf higher because I'll be right back. The phone is ringing again. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. So, I actually need 2 more of these. So I'm going to try and hurry this up, because time's almost short. Alright, let's do this, that, put the bottles in, like this. Right next to each other. Then put the whoa, 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 whoa. Then put the top on. So it's gonna look something like that. As you can see, the little ships inside. So now if I place this, like right at the door. Okay. Alright, so it looks like a good way to end the episode. So let me just put all these stuff in here, and I'll clean this up after. Alright, so this is what we got done. I think the last video we put this in. I only put like one thing in, maybe. No. What did I do? I finished this layer, then I built this shelf, and I put 2 things in. I might put like the crystals in, and like this thing in. Alright, so I think that's does it for this video. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, press that like button, comment, and subscribe. This is Pig Gamer signing out, and I will see you guys later.